Alright, so welcome back to our channel, The Ships Peters TV. Today, we have our topic about actuator. This actuator is used for inert gas system vent valve. So this actuator is air supplied and also is spring return actuator. So what is mean by spring return actuator? So spring return actuator have air supplied to only one side of the piston, and the energy to move the mechanism comes from the spring on the opposite side. This configuration use pneumatic pressure or the air to open or close the valve, and the spring effect the opposite motion. So a valve spring is placed around the stem of the valve and held in place by retainer. Its main job is to control the entire valve train, ensuring that the proper amount of spring pressure is applied constantly to prevent valve bounce. So this valve actuator is the mechanism of opening and closing valve. So manually, the operated valve needs someone in attendance to adjust using a direct or gear mechanism attached to the valve stream, whereas this actuator is remote control. It works when the inert gas is in running position. This valve is in closed position, but when the inert gas is in stop position, this valve, it will be automatically open by pushing their self spring return, because inside this actuator there is a spring. For example, this inert gas is in running position, then this valve is not closed properly, so the oxygen content will rise up than standard level. So the standard level of the ship is only 5%. More than that 5%, it will be give alarms to give notice to the watch engineer that the inert gas content open is rising up. So, and also the oxygen content, it will rise up if this valve is not working properly or not properly closed. So the combustion to explode the cargo tanks, it needs only 16% of oxygen. The cargo tank has a presence of fuel, heat, and this oxygen. So if the oxygen is rising up, it will be possible for explosion. The percentage of oxygen content that needed for combustion is 16%, because the air contains about 21% oxygen, and most fires required at least 16% oxygen content to burn. Oxygen support the chemical process that occur during fire. When the fuel burns, it reaches with oxygen from the surrounding air and release heat and generating combustion products. So it's very dangerous when our inert gas is rising up the oxygen content to 16%. So this inert gas is very important during cargo operation, during discharging. It's very important to prevent explosion, because if this inert gas is more than standard level, there is possibility that our tank is explode, because the oxygen is rising up. As I told you that the explosion or the combustion needed is 16% of oxygen is enough. So that's why our ship is maintaining the standard of 5% oxygen content. And watch my video in the next so that you can get the proper idea, and you can take my techniques on how to repair this not working actuator. And also I unboxing this actuator, and you can watch what is the component or what is the inside part of this actuator. Thank you.
Ito po ang channel ng Ship's Peter TV. Ako po ay pusong nagpapasalamat kung maklik ninyo ang subscribe button sa baba.
Alright, so this actuator is already boxed up. So I want to demonstrate on how it is work. From this side, have a piston, and there's at the back of the piston there is four spring in both side. So it means that this side and also this side is together forcing by the force of spring to open position. So when air supply this actuator, it will be in closed position like that. This is closed position. When the air is cut off, it will be automatic in open position. So like that. This is now is air is cut off, the position of this bulb is in open. So that is the function of this actuator, and it is installed on 5 line in inert gas. So as I told you, this actuator is huge rolls of the inert gas line in order to release the accumulated pressure in 5 line. Alright, so we attach the butterfly bulb to this actuator in order to show you guys on how it is work. So when the air cut off, this butterfly bulb is in open position because the spring both side, it will force to open position. Now when I supply the air, this bulb is in closed position. So I tell something that the bulb is supplied air, it means the inert gas is in running position. It will be give air to this actuator to give signal to close position because the inert gas is running. When the time the inert gas in stop position, the air supply to this actuator is all cut off. So when the time the air supply to this actuator is cut off, then the spring will be activated and push the steam gear of this bulb in open position. So that is the time that the remaining accumulated pressure on the line of inert gas, it will be released to the atmosphere. So that is the function of this butterfly bulb attached with the spring-loaded accumulator. So all that I can say about this actuator on how it is work. So the problem of this actuator is stuck up. So we are very lucky that this actuator is in close position when the time of operation. But if this butterfly bulb is in open position, it might be cause some problem of oxygen content because it will be sucked from atmosphere air and together with the inert gas, so the oxygen level content of our inert gas is up. So now we are already repair and back to normal again, and we put it back in position, and that's all I can say. And thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Ito po ang channel ng Sips Peter TV. Ako po ay pusong nagpapasalamat kung maklik ninyo ang subscribe button sa baba.